Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to next informative video tutorial. Just diagnosing the problem with this laptop. Now the customer would have said that the screen basically not showing, and definitely it is really obvious that something actually went wrong with the screen. So as you can see, it is turned on and the screen is just all white. So I'm gonna actually test it with a smart TV or a display screen, and to definitely show you that yes, the screen definitely not working. Alright, so here, so we actually have a screen here or a smart TV. So just I'm gonna try it. So definitely this comes with HDMI port inside here. So I'm gonna actually attach the HDMI port. Alright, so let's see. Perfect. So as you can see, actually displaying on the smart TV, so definitely it is actually a screen problem. So I'm gonna actually have to order a screen for this customer. So definitely would have to search for a screen. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and please remember to share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Family Tech is out of here.